Hey, disco ang Pinas. Wow!
The group, they call themselves, so you think you can dance group will now perform for you. El Matador means the matador. La Capa means the cape. Introducing our first couple, hailing from Chicago's Gold Coast. They are determined, willing to learn, and strive to do their very best. Please welcome El Matador Howard and La Capa Faye Earhart. Our second couple is a longtime friend and your potential dance partner. El Matador Tony Mamagood and his beautiful and charming partner, La Capa Amy Mendoza. And our last couple, but not least, is my energetic and vibrant dance partner for life, La Capa Annie McQuanan, escorted by our hilarious and warm-hearted friend, El Grande Matador Eric Fria. And yours truly will be joining them. We now present to you, ladies and gentlemen, the Paso Doble.